Vacon NX Configurator. Let's take an example, in this case a Vacon NXP drive. We start by selecting the NX configurator, then go to the Basic group. Here we select NXP frequency converters under the Product Group attribute. Vacon Dark Grey NXP under the Customized Drive attribute is now pre-selected for us. This is the standard configuration we want, so we skip to the next attribute. Here we can skip the Mechanical Modification attribute for now too, and 380 to 500 VAC under the Mains Voltage attribute. Let us go for the 5 amp under the Current attribute. Then only the Brake Chopper and the Shipping Package attributes remain to be set. So let's do that and proceed to the I/O cards group. Here we find all attributes are pre-selected with basic I/O functionality, so we can skip to the Documentation, Language and Software group. Satisfied with the pre-selections already made here, we make selections in the remaining 3 attributes: System Firmware, Software License and Application. Proceeding to the Approvals group, we find all attributes pre-selected with standard global settings, so we can go to Check the General group. Here we find only 2 configuration attributes. Those are marked with quote**quote, the rest are read-only informational attributes. Both configuration attributes are settled by deduction, so there are no further settings to be made. Now that we are satisfied with the selections, we can click the Review Configuration button. Now you're done. Your configuration is defined by the model code. The model code can be used for ordering and looking up of relevant information at any time. By clicking the Proceed to Extras button, it's possible to get a comprehensive overview of documents, visuals, accessories, spare parts, services and software that are relevant for this particular configuration.